I got cold feet to start with. A monthly ongoing contract was a little bit more than we expected, but once we got the trailer and got familiarised with the system, it's a well worth investment. It's just a complete game changer. The operators can blow a hose and jump on the app straight away and pull up a job card, and that'll immediately go through to Troy, which has access to that, and he knows exactly what machine he's going out to fix a hose on, what hose it is. He can come straight to site and get that machine back up and running. We used to pull the hoses off and take them to either the workshop or our local hose company, and they're often always out and busy and can't make the hose straight away. The BOA trailer's given us the ability to keep moving. We just had a screener and a crusher in the workshop for a full refurb. It's a matter of just pulling back in the trailer up, parking directly alongside the machine and going through and just changing out. I think we changed about 70% of the hoses on the machine. Just the convenience of being able to cut the hose, put the fittings on, put it on before it's crimped, twist it into the right orientation, and then pull it off, crimp it, put it on the machine, just to prevent hoses rubbing, save on downtime.